still zone out. They talking plans and straight routines, but I still chase that finished dream scene. I sit alone and hum a line, ignore the tick and blur the time. I know I'm not the perfect one, but I'm not done, I've just begun. No, I'm not blind to how life goes, I just don't want to fold so close. I'm not ready to land, don't pull me down, don't take my stand. Even if I drift too high, at least I'll say I tried to fly. They keep saying grow up fast, but I just wanna make it last. Tried to fit, I played along, but something always felt so wrong. The safer paths, the silent steps, just lead me back to what I left there. I'm not a rebel, not a star, I'm just okay with who I are. To live out loud without the fright. Who says lost means going back? Maybe I'm on the right off track. I'm not ready to land, don't pull me down, don't take my stand. Even if I lose my way, at least I'll say I tried to fly. They keep saying just wanna make it last. Maybe one day